Alice threw her birthday party at an indoor playground. Each child was charged $25 and each adult was charged $3. Okay, that's a very weird pricing, but okay. It said every child brought 2 adults with them. So, and Alice paid a total of $1,085 for the party. How many children attended the party? Now, they mentioned that every child brought 2 adults. So, one child will have adult 1 and adult 2, and this is considered one set. Okay? So, I have to figure out for one set, how much is it altogether? So, for one set, right, it is one child plus adult. Correct? Now, one child is how much? One child is $25, so it's $25. One adult is how much? $3, right? Another adult, another $3. So total, this one will be 25 plus 6, and that will give me $31. This is one set, one set will be $31. Now I want to figure out how many set of one child and 2 adults are there. So I'm going to take $1,085 divided by 31. Okay, so I'm going to use my calculator and figure this out. Okay, so where's my calculator? Okay, so 1085 divided by 31. Cool, that will give me 35 sets. Okay, so remember, in one set there is one child and then 1 and 2 adults, right? And there are 35 sets altogether. Okay, so asking for how many children attended the party, so it'll be very simple because one set is one child, so 35 sets will be 35 child. So 35 sets will be 35 children. Okay, so that's actually how you get answer. Which is why I keep on insisting that you all do the set method, because the set method is very clear cut and it's very easy for everyone to understand. So when parents are watching this, remember to use the set method. It is very, very structured and then it's very good for all future questions. Alright, done.